Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. Hope that you are all in a safe space and in a safe place while we check out this video. Today's DIY is going to be a tutorial on how I made a tulle skirt. Yes guys, and here I've already gone to Joann Fabrics to get the tulle where they had it on sale for $1.99 per yard, and I came to Walmart to get the lining because it was a little too pricey for me at Joann's, so I came to Walmart to find lining for this tulle skirt. And as you see, we have royal blue because that is the color of this skirt. So as I was trying to decide and try to figure out what type of fabric to use for the lining, I came across this satin lining, and you get 2 yards for $4.20 here at the Walmart. And here are the materials that I used, and everything will be listed in the description below. Right here, I am going to sew a loose double stitch. And this loose stitch will help me create the gathered pleats that I need for this tulle skirt. Right here, I'm working on the second single stitch. Creating a double stitch will help in case the string breaks. You'll still have a second string or a backup. And right here is what I'm talking about, a double stitch. Next, I anchored my one end of my skirt or tulle so that once I start pulling on the thread, I won't pull it through the end, and lose my thread. So I'm just anchoring it by crisscrossing back and forth. And right here, the way I determine which strings to pull, the string from the bobbin goes to the back towards your body. The string that comes through the needle goes to the front, because it's the bobbin strings that help you or allow you to pull and gather your fabric. What I did was created a slip knot in the thread that comes through the needle. I created a slip knot so that that end won't pull away from the fabric, so that I may continue to gather the pleats for my skirt. Plus, it gives me a chance to, or gives me a leeway in case I do the wrong measurement. I can loosen that slip knot to correct my measurements. And this is the result. Right here, I'm making sure of the measurements of the length of my skirt. And right here, I am done for the night. But this is what it's looking like so far. So the next day, I decided to work on the lining of the skirt, and I'm pressing out all the wrinkles and creases. And I did the same thing with this fabric that I did with the tulle. I created the gathered pleats. And right here I am measuring the 3-inch waistband, which the 3-inch elastic will go through. So I pin and press, and after that I cut out the waistband. Once I cut my waistband, I go ahead and I pleat the waistband the same way I did the other two pieces of fabric, the tulle and the satin lining. Now I will be attaching the tulle and the satin lining and the waistband together. Once I figured it out, I put the waistband first, then the tulle in the middle, and the lining was on the bottom. And then I started pinning them all together. After all of my pieces were pinned, they were sewn together with a double stitch at 1/4 inch seam allowance. And this is the result of all the pieces sewn together. Think it's coming along, guys? What do you think? Okay, guys, now that I have gotten this far with the skirt, now all I have to do is cut the tulle even. Maybe I might leave it just like an inch below the hemline of the lining, and then that'll be it, and I'll be back. At this point, I had my client do the first fitting of the skirt before finalizing the last steps to finish her outfit. So I double stitched the seam at 1/4 inch seam allowance from the elastic to the end of the skirt, and this was the result. I think it turned out so pretty, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Once the final fitting was done, it needed no more adjustments, and the skirt was completed. So guys, if you like the content of my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like, share, and if you are new to my channel, tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so when I come up with the next uploads, you will know, guys. And as you see, my client is a happy camper. She is proudly wearing her tulle tutu skirt. And guys, I will see you all in the next DIY video. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.